If you could roll the world with the flip of a switch, would you do it? If you could make everybody poor just so you could be rich, would you do it? If you could watch everybody work while you just lay on your back, would you do it? If you could take all the love without giving any back, would you do it? And so we cannot know ourselves or what we really do. With all your power, with all your power, with all your power, what would you do? With all your power, with all your power, with all your power, what would you do? If you could make your own money and then give it to everybody, would you do it? If you knew all the answers